Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. We are going to continue working in phonology. The page is the page number 11, phonology lesson number 2. Okay? Working with sounds. Okay, but before we are going to review, okay, the 10 words. Okay, listen please and repeat.
Lesson 2. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Robe, robe. Chain, chain. Toad, toad. Male, male. Goat, goat. Boat, boat. Train, train. Nail, nail. Snail, snail.
Okay, and the missing word is sock. Okay, excellent. Okay, now we are going to work on the page number 11. Listen to the words list again and practice your pronunciation. Then write the correct words in the blanks below. Okay, are you ready? Yes? Okay, here we go. Which words rhyme with the word jail? Okay, I have male, nail, snail. Okay, excellent. Number 2. Which words rhyme with the word brain? Okay, I have chain, train. Okay, good. Number 3. Which words have a long O, sound like a goal? Okay, I have thought, God, bought, soft, raw. Okay, excellent. And the number 4. Which word rhymes with the word glove? I have roll. Okay, excellent. Very good. This is the homework for this week. And remember, we won't work on this part. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Okay? And remember, don't worry, be happy. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.